Hello guys, welcome to Sam Tech Pro. Today we are gonna take a look on this cheap LCR meter that is holdpeak, and it costs about $15 to $20 and measure a little bit okay. It's a fine device for the beginners because it has very less range of measuring. The resolution is very poor in case of inductor, so if you're interested in buying it to create your FM transmitters, it would not work for that purpose. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna maintain it, I'm gonna clean it because it's giving error on the transistors testing. So here is the board. I want you to take a look at what's inside it, how manufacturer built its board. This is the back case, by the way. Back case has a little stand that hold it in place, but it's a little bad. It does not hold it in place. It does not stand. There's the rubber case that protects the housing of this LCR meter. It's good. This is the front case. You can see the rotatory switch, and here is the rubber made power button, which is used push to on and off. And one good feature of this LCR meter is that it automatically shut down if you don't touch that, so that helps protecting your batteries. These rubbers are the connections of the LCD, and here's where rotatory switch works, and this is the reflector of the backlight for the LCD, so you can see what's written on LCD. The light is a single LED in the corner. These holes for the transistor testing needs to be clean. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a brush to clean everything including board, but I will make sure that I do not touch accidentally the variables that are on the board. Those variables are for the calibration. Okay, here is the final look because I already cleaned it and I'm gonna pack it. So we see a couple of ICs that are maybe shimmy triggers and AND gates, NAND gates, and also the operational amplifiers. I accidentally broke the probe connection while I was adjusting it, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna solder it back simply. And there we have it. I believe it's soldered, but it does not look like it is soldered. So why not test it with the continuity meter? Let's test it, and I'm gonna test it. This is going here, so this could be the point, and that should show me continuity. It's okay. So soldering is okay. That means I should close the case and need to check if any screw left. And there we closed it. Oh wow, I just love its light actually, you know, it looks cool. Wish this light could run forever. Alright, another screw is done. I'm gonna just put the rubber case back on it. Alright, so everything is done, and what I can do now, I can test everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, please like this video and subscribe my channel with clicking on the bell icon also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's enjoy the remaining part.